How to lock Safari in iPhone and iPad. For this, first open up the Shortcuts app in your device. Then, in the bottom, you can see an option called Automation in the middle. Click on Automation and then scroll down until you see an option called App. Choose the App option and you have an option called Choose beside App. Click on Choose and this opens up the list of apps in your device. Click on Search Apps and type in Safari. Click on Safari and then click on Done on the top right corner. Then you will be taken back to the page again. Here, instead of Run after confirmation, click on Run immediately and then click on Next on the top right corner again. You will then be redirected to this page where you have an option to click on New Blank Automation. Under the Get Started section, click on New Blank Automation option that you can see in the first, and after clicking on this option you have an option to search for apps and actions down below. Click on Search for apps and action and here type Lock. Scroll down until you see the Lock Screen option. Click on Lock Screen and then click on Done again. After this step, your Safari app will be locked automatically when opened. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.